The UKEIN three-piece luggage set includes a carry-on suitcase, a matching backpack, and a toiletry bag, offering a comprehensive travel solution for all your packing needs. Constructed from 100% polycarbonate, this hardshell suitcase is both lightweight and durable, providing protection against scratches and impacts during travel. Designed with maximum storage in mind, the 20-inch carry-on features 2 compartments and compression straps, while the backpack offers spacious compartments for easy organization. Effortless maneuverability is ensured with the luggage's 360-degree spinner wheels and a 3-stage aluminum telescoping handle, making it easy to navigate through busy airports. Security is a priority with the TSA-approved combination lock, and the suitcase's bumper feet and dual reinforced handles add extra durability and convenience. This thoughtfully designed luggage set is ideal for both business and leisure travelers, combining style, functionality, and security for a seamless travel experience.